Abram, the character of God, exhibited in Abram's character. He has his nephew with him, and who knows what kind of troubles have come upon the family that Abram would have Lot, his nephew, with him as they move from their father's homeland, their grandfather's, well, Lot's grandfather's homeland, or wherever it was he was sojourning. What kind of trouble has driven them that far, and now what kind of trouble pursues them as they enter this land that God is promising to Abram's descendants? And here we have it. Now, we know that Abram is faithful Abram, and that his character is a character of a patriarch. And as we examine Abram and Abraham, we will see that there is something lacking, so that we continue to look for the next one. However, in bearing fruits in keeping with repentance, it does us well to look at Abram as an example of the character of one who believes. Abram is already saved. Abram has been chosen by God. He's in good shape. But look at how he behaves in God's kingdom, even as he has received it according to a promise and not by sight. We who have received the promised land by a promise and not by sight, except maybe in bread and wine and maybe in water and such, we can demonstrate the character of God and celebrate our forgiveness by taking care of each other. Look how Abram demurs. Like when we were kids, these were the days, perhaps, maybe you remember this, when you had a candy bar and there were 2 candy bars and 4 kids in my house, 1 candy bar and 2 kids. You cut and I choose. You split the candy bar with perfect equanimity. Here's Abram demurring and saying, look, you pick your side. You get whatever you want. And poor Lot goes to Sodom and Gomorrah. We already know the answer, but they didn't know that at the beginning. Yet he gave him the choice, and then he took what was remaining. This is the character of one who believes. We are always servants to one another. This is fruit, and it bears good fruit.